Welcome to part 2 of our Spain series. I hope you all are doing super well. If you have not watched the first part yet, then the link is given in the description box also. Before proceeding ahead, enjoy the cinematic shots. So, how did you find my cinematic shots? I'm eagerly waiting for your comments. After exploring northern side of Palma Island, we decided to explore southern side and then we decided to go to Cala Romantica. We took bus from Estacio Intermodal to Manacor and then from Manacor to Cala Romantica another bus. So now we have reached to the one of the southern part of Mallorca Island. Its name is Cala Romantica. So it's very beautiful beach. You can see the beach here. White sand, water is so blue. But before that, I think I will first go for a little hike here. So let's go for first hike. Then I think you can see a blue beach, blue water and white sand beach. It's pretty amazing. Cala Romantica beach is very beautiful, and as name suggests, is simply romantic. I wish I could bring my date here. Of course, I'm not kidding.
1 hour later.
So after a trek, we are on the spot and we can just see the blue sea. I did small hike here to take nice drone shots. I went on cliff and flew my drone. It was so windy, but I took a risk to just capture a great shot. Yes, and I actually got very amazing shot. I have included this drone shot at the start of the video. We enjoyed the overall vibe here and decided to sit and chill out. By the late evening, we headed to our Airbnb apartment. But this time we took the bus to Manacor and from there we took a train to Palma City because we wanted to explore train route as well. And surprisingly, the fare was the same as the bus fare. As soon as we reached home, we had food and dozed off because we were so tired. As you saw, we finished exploring the northern side as well as the southern side of Palma Island. Now there is time to explore main Palma City. Palma City also has a lot of beautiful beach, attractive architecture and blessed with the huge history. We decided to explore Palma City throughout the day. We started with Kalamajor Beach. The fresh air and calming voice of sea waves at Kalamajor Beach just took my heart away. After that, we started walking around to experience historic Palma City. Palma takes its name from Palmyra, the town that was founded by Romans in 120 BC as a part of their expansion across Mediterranean. With arrival of Moors, the development of city continued. However, the real expansion begins in 1229, when Jaume I of Aragon captured Mallorca from the Moors and included it in his kingdom that stretched across the Spain and France. He also laid the foundation stone of landmark building of Palma, the Gothic Cathedral of Seju, easily seen as you fly over the city. In 1983, Palma was adopted as the capital of autonomous region of Balearic Island. We decided to rest at beach surrounded by calmness and chanting waves. And the easy breezy atmosphere was so captivating. Finally, the time came to leave the beach for the return journey and we reached Palma airport around 4 am in the morning. We took a flight to Nuremberg and reached to Munich by 4 pm because the Nuremberg to Munich bus was running late. We were so exhausted but had collected lot of memories and immense happiness that we'll never forget at any cost. One thing I really want to mention here is that travel is not about the place. It's more about the way you travel while going out of your comfort zone, which allows you to gain knowledge and collect memories. You never come empty-handed, you bring box filled with the experience and stories to share with your community. With this, it's a wrap for my Spain log. I will come back soon with another exciting place on my channel. Thanks for watching and staying with me till the end. I strongly need your support to grow my channel, and if you really like and efforts and this virtual Spain tour, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am also waiting for your feedback in my comment section. Stay safe, stay healthy and travel often.